Hello guys, we are again to video taking a video, for witness all the watcher, all the viewer, what is the kind of proud of Calbayog City, tourist spot of Calbayog City. That's the sea. The sea, you can swim, you can, and this the amazing, going to stair to going down, from upstairs to going down. This is amazing place. I hope you cannot, you are watching and views this our tourist here of Calbayog City, and I'm proud to invite all of you to come here because